channel, and in today's video I am going to review Minimalist 10% Niacinamide plus Zinc Serum. I know Minimalist has been in market and on limelight for few months right now. It's a very new brand to India, so I tried one of their products. I'm here with my review and experience while using this product throughout. So if you're interested to watch, please keep on watching, and if you're someone new and looking at this face for the first time, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also don't forget to hit that like button down below. That actually encourages me to make more content for you guys. And also, if you have any other video requests, don't forget to mention in the comment section below. You can follow me on my social media platforms, which will be linked in the description box. So without any further blabbering, let's straight away get into the video. On the month of January, I made an Amazon haul video where I showed you that I purchased Minimalist serum, and I know most of you guys wanted to know my experience using that serum, also full-fledged review, so I'm here with the same. So before directly getting into the review, let's talk about the brand Minimalist. Minimalist skincare is very trending right now, just because the look of the products is similar to The Ordinary, which is an international brand and also affordable. So yeah, Minimalist is an Indian brand that has been developed by a firm called Uprising Science, and Minimalist has been launched in the month of September last year, that is 2020. So the brand's belief is just that it is transparent enough to the people, like what they're adding into the product. The products are really in the affordable range. That's a crisp and short description about the brand. So let's straight away get into the packaging part. Packaging wise, as you can see, it comes in this black cardboard box. So the cardboard box has all the details like the expiry date, the manufacturing date, has the direction of use, and where they have sourced the niacinamide from. All those details are very transparently mentioned here. The ingredient, the complete list is mentioned in this. Once you open this cardboard box, I think I opened the other way. It has one more box inside. Open that as well. The packaging is really secure because it's a glass bottle. It's really secure. So during transit, you can minimize breakage and damage to the bottle inside. So that's a very good idea they have. So I really like the packaging. Comes in this frosted glass bottle with a dropper package, as you can see. The label and the outlook of this looks similar to The Ordinary, and also it has all the details which was there in the cardboard box as well. So this serum has 1 year of shelf life. So overall, the packaging gives a simple and clean look. Let's just get into the claims part. So the claim is very simple. It is written over here in the bottle itself. It reduces blemishes, oil and acne marks, and also in the website it is given clearly that you can see difference using this product within 2 weeks. So let's straight away get into the ingredient list. The first ingredient in this is the base ingredient, that is nothing but the aloe vera juice. Serum is little bit on the watery consistency. First ingredient is a soothing agent, which is nothing but the aloe vera juice, and also the base agent, as I already told you. The second one is the niacinamide. Niacinamide is well known for reducing the melanin production wherever you have hyperpigmentation and you have blemishes and marks that are, you know, very pigmented and just shows on your skin. So it helps in reducing all that. That is the use of niacinamide, mostly to even out your skin tone, and nowhere it is proved that it is gonna give you a lighter complexion or something, which I don't really support. You should be happy with your own complexion, and that makes you unique, right? This product mostly focuses on evening out your skin tone, and also, you know, if you have acne marks, after acne marks and stuff, all that will be faded, and also the hyperpigmentation, especially with Indian melanin rich skin, we have hyperpigmentation around our mouth mostly. So this helps in fading out that as well and making your skin look even. And and zinc in combination with niacinamide helps you to heal the blemishes. That's all for the ingredient, guys. I would also like to mention few things over here about the product. Minimalist products are fragrance free, paraben free, silicone free, and they also mention the pH of the product. The pH is between 5.5 to 6.5, so they are vegan, and also they are cruelty free. The price of this serum is $5.99 and you can get it on discount in Amazon, Nykaa, and it is available everywhere in the website as well. I would also provide you the link down below in the description box, so if you want to purchase, go ahead, click that link and buy. So the last segment of this video is nothing but my experience with the product. So first of all, let me tell you about my skin. If you're someone new, you wouldn't know much about my skin, right? So yeah, my skin is oily to combination. I have a very oily T-zone, and during winters I have dry skin in the outer perimeters of my face. So right now it's summer, it's very humid. So as you can see, my face after half an hour or 1 hour turns glowy on the T-zone, especially because of the oil secretion. So that is my skin, and also my skin is really acne prone. I had a lot of acne in my past, and also I do get acne, not so bad, but I still get pimples and acne, and also I have marks on my face. That's just normal, guys. Just take care of your skin well, and also look into the diet you follow. Start with my first use. I have everything written in this, so my entire experience is being recorded in my diary. Especially when I'm reviewing any product, I just make sure that I write what I'm feeling in the first use, and then I go ahead with my review. So on the first day of using this serum, I did not feel any kind of irritation. I felt that the serum actually absorbed very fast by my skin. Just within 10 seconds of application, it got all absorbed by my skin. 1 week of use, I did not find any new acne coming out or popping out. On the website, they have given that if you're someone using high percentage of niacinamide or high percentage of anything, it might create a purge effect. So initially you might get a little bit of acne, but after a week or so of using, new acne doesn't appear. It's just gonna subdue. Directions they have given: you can use AM and PM. That means you can use it in the daytime as well as nighttime. The right way to apply this serum is you have to cleanse your face, tone your face, and hydrate with hyaluronic acid if you want to, and then go ahead with this serum. So that's what they say. But personally, I did not use it during the daytime. I used it as part of my night skincare routine. Let me be frank to you guys. This is the second bottle of this serum I have. This is the new bottle, and this is all empty, as you can see. This I completely used. After 1 month of usage, I could see a good difference on my skin. As you can see, initially I had a lot deeper scarring of the acne marks, because I didn't really know how to take care of that marks and stuff after the acne has gone. So the marks of my acne is a little more deeper and older. So the older the marks gets, it's a little bit tougher to get rid of that. So that you should keep in mind when I'm showing my skin up close. You can see I still have a little bit of acne marks, but it is faded to a larger extent, guys. I've been using this serum for past 2 months right now. This is April, right? So yeah, I have been using this from the month of January, and I completed 1 bottle. I'm going strong with the second bottle as well, and I'm making sure I'm regularly using this. So after a month and half of use, I could see my skin texture is improving as well. I do have a lot of skin texture. I did have actually. Right now it has been improved a lot. As you can see, I just have a BB cream on my face with some cream blush. So you can see my skin texture, it is not very prominent. I had hyperpigmentation around my mouth as well, so the pigmentation is not so strong, that you have to keep in mind. But this serum had a great effect on my hyperpigmentation as well. It faded very quickly because I had a very lighter thing. So you have to remember this as well. The stronger and the older your problems are, it's gonna take some time for you guys to see difference. So whenever you use a product, make sure you are giving it time to work on your skin, and yeah, at least give it a month or two to see proper difference, especially when the products are concentrated like this. These products are concentrated, guys. It has 10% niacinamide and zinc. If you are someone who's beginning with this, I would suggest you guys to buy 5% niacinamide and zinc for a month. Use that. Once that is over, you can go ahead with the 10%. But because if you are someone who's not used to these things, when you try directly the 10%, the concentration is higher. So when you try that, you might get that purge effect immediately, and you can see new acne coming out. So that's a warning they've given already. So I will suggest you guys to, you know, start with a 5% niacinamide and then go ahead with the 10%. So this product is available everywhere, guys. The links will be down below in the description box. So that's all for the review, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed till now. See you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.